happy today and excited too because I'm a part of this world record event. And my dear friends, it is my immense pleasure and privilege to be a part of this mega event, 24 hours live, Rebuild India program. And I would like to express my deep gratitude to the organizers, Skillmap, the pioneers in education industry, and for the last many years, Skillmap, you've been inspiring a lot of youth and enlightening their lives. So cheers. So when I talk about Rebuild India, this is one topic which is the need of the hour. So when I talk about Rebuild India, so I should take into account the physical rebuilding, mental rebuilding and economical rebuilding. And I would prefer to talk about mental rebuilding. So it is about enhancing the mental health. It is very important to overcome the mental challenges and trouble that we come across, and to rebuild India's future. This is one aspect which is highly critical to overcome the challenges that we may come across once we go forward. And now let me share with you 10 tips, 10 things that will definitely help us to overcome the mental challenges. Even the World Health Organization defines health as mental health. So when you talk about rebuilding the nation, rebuilding India, it should start from me, in fact. It should start from each and every one of us. And as all of us know, we form the community, we form the state, and we form the nation. So we should develop a positive mental attitude. We should reframe our map of the world in such a way that we are strengthening ourselves to overcome the challenges that we come across. Alright, so what is mental attitude, or how do we define mental health? Our life is going very smooth. Alright, we do enjoy the happiness, we do leverage it to the maximum, and we have beautiful relationships, we do have money, we do have beautiful costumes, and we do have everything to eat. Everything is going fantastic. At this point of time, this is about life. We may have to face challenges, obstacles, problems, adversities. How well you are able to adapt to the changes and challenges in your life that you may have to come across. There lies your mettle, my dear friends. How flexible you are, how adaptable you are to the changing circumstances and problems. There lies your mental health. There lies your positive mental attitude, which is important to overcome the issues and adapt well to the changing environment. So dear friends, this is mental health, മാനസിക ആരോഗ്യം. കാരണം നമ്മുടെ ലൈഫ് വളരെ മനോഹരമായിട്ട് മുന്നോട്ട് പോകുന്നു, നമ്മളത് പരമാവധി ആസ്വദിക്കുന്നു. എന്നാൽ ആ സമയത്ത് വളരെ അപ്രതീക്ഷിതമായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഫേസ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടി വരുന്ന കുറേ പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ, ആ പ്രശ്നങ്ങളുമായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് പൊരുത്തപ്പെടാനും അതിനെ ഓവർകം ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന നമ്മുടെ ഒരു കഴിവ്, നമ്മുടെ ഫ്ലെക്സിബിലിറ്റി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അഡാപ്റ്റബിലിറ്റി, ഇതാണ് മെൻ്റൽ ഹെൽത്ത്. ജീവിതത്തിലുണ്ടാവുന്ന ഉയർച്ചകളെയും താഴ്ചകളെയും നല്ല മാനസികാരോഗ്യത്തോടു കൂടി അതിജീവിക്കാൻ പറ്റുക. So this is how we do define mental health. So ഈ mental health enhance ചെയ്യാനുള്ള കുറേ techniques. My dear friends, let me take you to the key part of my speech. The 10 tips or 10 techniques that is going to change your life, that is going to influence your positive mental attitude. The 10 techniques that is going to empower your mental health. Here is the key for you, and let me share with you 10 techniques that is going to influence your mental attitude. And these are the techniques that is going to empower your positive mental attitude. ഈ 10 കാര്യങ്ങൾ വളരെ മികച്ച രീതിയിൽ നമ്മുടെ ലൈഫിൽ അഡോപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ, അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ, take it from me, we can take our mental attitude to a different level, to an enhanced level. And this is validated by NIMHANS, National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences. Alright, so first point, religion of love. When I talk about religion, and when you pray, I think the concentration is at the top. So same like how do you pray, that kind of commitment and dedication has to be there when you love others, unconditional. And first and foremost thing is that you should love yourself to love others. That self-esteem has to be there, right? Second thing, when I speak, you can find a lot of flaws. At the same time, you are keenly listening to me to find the positive things and the techniques that I'm gonna share with you. So this is what, find positive qualities in people, because nobody is perfect in the world. Every moment, every second, we strive for progression. Every day we strive for progression, not perfection. So it is very important to find the positive qualities in people. And also you have to understand your positive things. And you understand your preferences, your likes, your dislikes. Everything is important, okay? So once you are able to love yourself, you can love others. At the same time, you are able to appreciate others. So two things I would like to share with you upfront. You should never ever compromise on giving these two things. One is expressing your gratitude, second, appreciating others. Alright? So pour yourself with these two important words, okay, so that your relationship can be better. Alright? Once your relationship is better, your positive mental attitude will get enhanced. So here is the second point, understanding oneself. So what do you mean by understanding oneself? It is about SWOT analysis. You identify your strength, you identify your weakness, you identify the opportunities around you, and also you have to identify the threats. This is very important because this will help you to enhance your self-confidence. At the same time, enhancing self-confidence matlab your self-esteem will be high. Another thing is that you have to take all the criticisms very positively, because criticisms may be constructive, so you should understand about it and you should take it very positively so that you can improve better. And please take care of yourself to enhance your knowledge and skills. Always please be updated in terms of enhancing your skill, enhancing your knowledge. So this is very important because this is a changing world, changing trends. You have to adapt accordingly. Alright? Understanding oneself, it is very important because this is about SWOT analysis. You understand your strength, your weakness, the opportunities around you, and the threats that you may have to face. So once you are able to identify who you are, then it is very easy for you to overcome the challenges with the kind of caliber that you possess. And also, my dear friends, please do take care to take the criticisms very positively so that you can build yourself constructively. Hi, here is the third point. Talk it out. That means always try to be a lighter version of yourself. Share your burden, feel lighter. Right? Whatever problems you have in your thoughts, in your mind, share it out. Talk it out. Share it with people. Right? Always have a few people whom you can rely upon. Alright? നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ആവാം, റിലേറ്റീവ്സ് ആവാം, ഫാമിലി മെമ്പേഴ്സ്. സോ ആരാവാം. നമ്മുടെ ചിന്തകളും നമ്മുടെ പ്രശ്നങ്ങളും ഒക്കെ എല്ലാപ്പോഴും ഒരുപോലെ ആവണം എന്നില്ല. അതിൻ്റെ ഇൻറ്റൻസിറ്റി മേ വേരി ഫ്രം ടൈം ടു ടൈം. ഇപ്പം നമുക്ക് റീസെൻ്റ്ലി അറിയാം സുശാന്ത് സിംഗ് രാജ്പൂത്. സോ അദ്ദേഹത്തിനെ പോലെ ഒരുപാട് പേര് മാനസികമായിട്ട് ഡിപ്രഷൻ അനുഭവിക്കുന്നവരുണ്ട്. ആ ഡിപ്രഷൻ സൂയിസൈഡിലോട്ട് ചെന്നെത്തുന്നുണ്ട് ഒരുപാട് പേര്. ആസ് പെർ WHO 2030 ആകുമ്പോഴേക്കും മാനസികമായിട്ട് പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ അനുഭവിക്കുന്ന ഒരു 30% യൂത്ത് ഉണ്ടാവുമെന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. സോ നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടത് എന്താണ്? മാനസികമായി കരുത്തുള്ള ഒരു ഇന്ത്യ, റൈറ്റ്, എ സ്ട്രോങ് ഇന്ത്യ, റൈറ്റ് മെൻ്റൽ ആറ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡ്, റൈറ്റ് പോസിറ്റീവ് ആറ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡ് ഉള്ള ഒരു ഇന്ത്യ. സോ അത്തരത്തിലൊരു നേഷൻ നമ്മൾ ബിൽഡ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ it is very easy to overcome rest of the challenges, be it physical, be it economical, be it related to infrastructure, whatever it is. Once we are able to build a youth India with positive mental attitude, and take it from me, my dear friends, we'll be able to build a strong India. Life may not be always, as expected. So life may give you unexpected things which may be really challenging. So my dear friends, my input is that whatever happens, alright, you should always try to be in a lighter version. And even if you feel tough times, definitely you have to face tough times. So please rely upon the people with whom you can interact better, who can give you solutions, who can give you some sort of happiness or relief. So do that, share your burden. That always actually gives you more confidence or relief. So here is the fourth point, sense of humor. So this is really a matter of fun, because whatever you speak, you may interact with different people. So if you're able to have a sense of humor, last year when I was doing my NLP practitioner course in Coimbatore, so every morning I could notice that a group of elderly people, they used to go to the upstairs, and they used to form a circle, and they used to laugh. On the first day I was a bit surprised to see that what are they doing, but I could notice that they were having fun and they were enjoying it, and then I understood that if you laugh more, you will live long. At the same time, your muscles, your nerves will get relaxed, especially your facial muscles, and this in turn helps in blood circulation. So laughing is a very good exercise, as you might be knowing. So similarly, sense of humor, introducing humor once you converse is very important, and this will help you to bring good connection with the audience. Alright. So whenever you feels like laughing, please do laugh and share your happiness with others. So have fun with your family, friends, and once you are able to share all these positive vibes, then 100% certainly this is going to enhance your mental attitude by default. Alright, and also listen to others' happiness and try to find happiness in the things around you, be it a flower or be it a bird or whatever it is. Try to find happiness. That is a very good prime quality, I would say. Okay. So here is the fifth point, equal work and play. Work while you work, play while you play. So my dear friends, yes, we are in a pandemic situation, we have problems, we have crises. At the same time, dedicate yourself to find time to make yourself comfortable. So work is important, but it is not about work alone. You have to find time to engage yourself in some activities outside your working atmosphere, because work-life balance is very important, is highly critical, and also do engage in some activities that may find you sort of interest and relaxation. Okay, and the activities, physical activities, games, sports, etc. will definitely give you, it is not just about enhancing your physical strength, but in turn this can help you to develop, and this can help you to enhance your mindset or mental strength as well. All right, please. And if you're able to allocate some time on a daily basis for your work, for your play, so that will be really great. Okay, so please do follow, because to rebuild India, we should rebuild ourselves. All right, so it is very important to play, to find time. So next point is experience and skills. With experience, you can learn a lot of things, and skill is one important aspect, with which you can leverage opportunities in front of you. And please see that difficult tasks are learning opportunities. Set your goal, work hard to achieve your goals, and welcome new challenges with right spirit. Also understand your experience develops your skills, and keep in mind, never ever give up. Alright, and here is the next point, perfection and performance. So how do you define perfection and performance? So intense effort, continuous effort, consistent effort is very important to enhance our caliber. When I talk about perfection, to some extent perfection is maybe a hypothesis, but we should strive to enhance our performance that leads to the betterment. See that you are putting every effort to enhance your performance. At the same time, you are helping, you are empowering others, you are empowering your people, so that they are also able to enhance their performance. So next point is assertiveness. So this is one important quality, in fact a personality trait. So the assertive way of communication means, at times you can be aggressive, but a controlled aggression is always good. But what I would suggest is that, assertive way of communication or behavior is a prime quality, because you are giving importance to you. At the same time, in the same wavelength, you are giving importance to others as well. You are respecting yourself at the same time. You are able to respect others as well. So this is an important quality, my dear friends, with which we'll be able to develop our positive mental attitude, in turn our mental health. Alright? Here is the next point for you, optimism. And optimism matlab what? Positive attitude again. So, life may turn out in different ways, but at the same time we should be in a position to adapt to the changing life environment. So my dear friends, you have two bowls in front of you, one with opportunities, second with difficulties. And a pessimist, a person with negative attitude, they'll be curious, in fact, to dig all the, to remove all the opportunities, and they'll look out for problems or difficulties. But an optimistic attitude kind of person will always, in fact, though he has a bowl with difficulties, he will always search for opportunities. So that is a way. So every challenge that we have to face, in every bit of challenge we should be able to find good things, great things, so that we will be able to explore it. Okay, so this is one thing which, though we are in a different or a difficult or indifferent situation, such a pandemic affected, explore the challenges in front of you, so that every day you are able to grow a bit. And when I talk about optimism, I should say every dark cloud has a silver lining. Alright, so my dear friends, we live in hope. There is always hope. Every achievement has to be cherished. Please understand that life is a blend of joy and sadness, but we should put our effort to find happiness in things around us, and we should always be in the hope. In a nutshell, we should drive ourselves in an optimistic attitude, and let us be optimistic and take our life, drive our life forward. And here is the 10th point, the last point: enjoy ordinary events of life. So when I talk about ordinary events of life, you have to find happiness even in small things. Happiness lies within you. So I would like to recall 90/10 principle, the famous one, because we don't have control over the things happening around us, but we do have control over the reactions or responses that we may choose to the surroundings, to the problems, to the happenings around us. So what I would like to convey is that 90% is happening inside us. So 10% what is happening outside us, we don't have any control over it. But how do we respond to the situations, to the 10%? It is based on the 90% that is within us. So we don't have control over the 10% what is happening around us, but certainly we do have the control over the 90% what is happening or which is happening inside us. So it is not about what is happening, but it is about how do we respond or how do we react. So let us not react, let us respond to the situations, so that we are able to be flexible and we can adapt to the changing situations. Alright? Understand that success is a collection of small achievements. So once you're going forward, once you're rebuilding yourself, believe that every step is important, every simple thing makes a big difference. Love who you are and love what you do, and take yourself forward, so that you are able to rebuild yourself and you can contribute to rebuild the nation. Alright?